Hey everyone, my name is Raquel Forsgren. Today's practice is going to be focused around the fourth concept in building resilience, and that is cultivating more energy so that we can accomplish more, or maybe just accomplishing what we want to and need to in our daily lives. So first we have to measure all of the areas where we're spending our time, right? We need to know how much we're giving to work, to exercise, to family, to friends, to our kids, whatever that is. We have to measure that before we can know how to balance it and how to shift where we're spending our energy to build more energy. And I know that this is going to be a topic that I'm going to get a few eye rolls from some of you, but we need to be healthy. We need to sleep more. We need to eat better. We need to move. We need to have healthy minds. We need to have healthy souls and emotions. And for those of us that are in healthcare, like all of you nurses, we all know this. There are mountains of data that prove unequivocally what this does for us. So since we know better, we need to do better, right? So let's start today. With those four things, with improved sleep, you're inherently going to feel better the next day. You're going to be less irritable. You'll have more energy to do a little exercise. And I'm not talking an hour cardio or even an hour yoga class. I'm talking a 15-minute walk, 20 minutes, doing a few weights, doing a 20-minute yoga practice on my YouTube channel, whatever that is. Then thinking about eating just a little bit better. So maybe you start your morning with some hot water and lemon and honey instead of going to the coffee straight away. Maybe you incorporate one smoothie a day on top of what you're already eating. Or just even cut some portions back and don't even change the way you're eating. But take a small step. Emotionally and mentally, sit and be still for maybe 1 minute. Do some of the deep breathing exercises that I've taught you along the way. Those four things will help us have better immune systems for working with patients. Our cortisol levels will be lower because our stress inherently will be lower. And we'll start to bounce back despite adversity, which is the essence of resilience. So today I'm just going to teach you a really short practice. It's just one that you could do either in between patients. You could do it when you feel like you might want to go get a snack out of the machine, which happens to a lot of us midday. Sometimes it happens to me mid-morning if I started at 6 a.m. This could be something that you need to do just to energize your mind and your brain, which are one and the same. So let's start standing. So let's just take our feet hip-width distance apart. Shoulders are back and relaxed. And we're going to inhale and just raise the arms up overhead. And exhale, turn the palms down and lower the arms. Inhaling, raising the arms up overhead. Exhale, lower the hands down. We're going to do that 2 more times. Inhale, raise the arms up, really, really reach up. Exhale, lower the arms down. Now last one, inhale, reach the arms up, keep the arms lifted, really, really reach. And let's just take ourselves over toward the right. Take a nice inhale. And an exhale, arms up and over to the left. And inhale. And exhale up, arms down by your sides. Take your hands in front of your heart. Close your eyes. I want you to ground into your heels. Feel both heels, all 10 toes, the arches of your feet. And let's take 4 nice inhales and exhales. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping your eyes closed, inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Softly blink open your eyes. Inhale, open the arms out, cactus arms or goalpost arms. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, open the arms. Squeeze the shoulder blades back behind you. Inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, cactus arms. And one more time. Inhale, reaching up. Really stretch the ribs. Exhale, cactus arms. Bring your hands back to your heart center. Just check in. How do you feel? Are you breathing a little differently? Are you smiling? Are you feeling more grounded? Are you feeling like you just moved and did something for yourself? That took us not even 2 minutes, guys. You can do this. Set an intention for what you want for the rest of your day or your night after you've done this. Take that moment to set just a small intention for yourself. This is going to help you cultivate more energy to accomplish more of what you want to accomplish in your lives.